Hello friends, this is Caroline of Caroline's Plans. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new here. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today's video is a pre-plan with me in my memory planner. I am using a Aura Estelle XSPC Blossom Planner to memory plan and the traditional vertical weekly Aura Estelle inserts for these spreads, slightly larger spreads. Today is a fun video. I have a kit by Lynner Designs called My Sunflower. I've used this art at least once before and I love it. So this kit by Lynner Designs is huge, so I'm definitely going to get 2 spreads out of this. I was also able to go into my collection to pull out things like dividers. I have 2 different dividers that I'm using from Lynner Designs for this spread. One is just a simple gold line, gold foil, and the other is a gold foil floral divider piece that I'll be sprinkling throughout the spread. And I'm also able to pull in a lot of leftover gold holo foil from Glam Planner and some leftovers from the Golden Hour foil binder bundle that I originally used last summer, I believe. Actually paired with this same art, the Sunflower Soiree kit by Glam Planner, which was the same art as this kit. I pulled the first portion of the Golden Hour foil in with that spread, and I've been able to use the leftovers throughout a few other spreads. I began by placing down the date covers and the correct date numbers. This kit does come with a full month's worth of date dots. One of them was kind of miscut, so that was kind of hard to work with, but it worked out okay in the end. This set of pink bow headers with gold foil is a leftover from a Vanilla Paper Co. kit. You just saw the icons and this set of bow headers a second ago. And I'm placing one of those under each of the date covers across the top of the spread. Then I'm going into some leftover bottom washi overlays by Glam Planner. I think these came in a grab bag of some sort. This is one of the gold foil overlays that I'm placing over this top gold strip of washi, and then first I'm placing down the sunflower pattern strip on the bottom with the hollow gold overlay strip on the top. I think both of these are about 15mm, so that 15mm overlay fit very well, with just a little bit of overhang on either side, but nothing too crazy. I did have that tall fashion girl left over at the end of the spread, the tall fashion girl that you see there on that sheet, and I will be pulling that into my second spread that I'm able to do with this kit. As I mentioned, this kit is very large. I'm not sure if there are different sizes of kits available in her shop, but this kit is huge, so I had more than enough. I'm pretty sure I'll have more than enough to do 2 spreads with this kit, because it does include full box checklists, a bunch of extra fashion girl boxes. That is one of my favorites, the girl with the flowers in her hair, and then I'm just placing one of the hollow foil frame boxes from Glam Planner on top of that, placing a header down underneath that, and a weekly box, then another green header underneath that with a second weekly box, and then I had to do a bit of creative sticker surgery to fill in that last little section of washi at the bottom, or a section of sidebar at the bottom. There was pink faux glitter vacation strip type thing included in this kit, so I just kind of used that to cover up the lines at the bottom of the sidebar with one of the bow dividers from the kit. I'm also including the second bow header just to fill in some space at the top of the sidebar. Excuse me, frog in my throat this morning. Yeah, so I'm just using my slice tool to help me dissect this piece of vacation strip to cover up the lines at the bottom of the sidebar. I kind of wish that I'd had an extension, a bottom washi extension for this kit, but I think it turned out okay. There's that second bow divider at the top of the sidebar, and I included a half cut header of the gold foil just to jazz that up a little bit, the hollow gold. And then I'm going to go in and accent the other headers and washi strips in the sidebar with these same half cut headers that you see me doing here. Yep, one on each of those headers at the top of the weekly boxes, and then one on each of the pink glitter strips at the bottom, and one on each of the bow headers and the sidebar. I went looking for a few more of those half cut headers in the foil sheets that I pulled out to use for the spread. At this point, the base is pretty much done, so we can start working on other things, start working on full boxes. I did have one full box left over once this spread was complete, but here I'm just putting down this scene of the van. This van is just so cute. I would love to have a van like this. It would just be like right up my alley. So I did place that scene at the top of Thursday and Friday, just for something a little bit different. Place that honey box in the middle of Monday to kind of flow down from the Fashion Girl box on the top of the sidebar. Place down the camera at the bottom of Tuesday, and then the next box I believe will go in the middle of Saturday probably. I did have two pink bow headers left over from a Sadie's Stickers add-on that I figured matched well enough, and I didn't have anywhere else to put them and I wanted to use them up, so I just placed them on the top of the full boxes on Monday and Tuesday. I placed down that flower box in the middle of Wednesday with a header over top. And another half cut, set of two half cut hollow gold overlays on top of that header. Trying to use up this hollow gold. Then I found another hollow gold corner stroke full box overlay from Glam Planner and cut that in half to stretch it over the entire scene on Thursday and Friday. A lot of these full boxes with the corner accents on opposite ends are already pre-cut in half to fit over a scene instead of just a full box. This one was not pre-cut, so I just pulled out my scissors to do that myself and placed down another full box at the middle of Saturday with a header over top and those same 2 half-cut headers to spice that up a little bit. And then the last full box for this spread is going to go on the bottom of Sunday. It's just that flat lay of the beautiful dress on the bottom there, with another header from the kit and hollow gold overlays. I really like how the orientation of these full boxes turned out. I think it flows nicely. Now that the full boxes are done, I'm just going in and finishing up my overlays. That's a triple stroke corner box from Glam Planner. I'm just using up a few from a grab bag, I think. Just this foil color is a little bit harder to match, so I think they had some leftover foil sheets, and I'm just using up the full boxes from that sheet, just kind of randomly throughout the spread, just to jazz things up a little bit. And then we are done with the base, and we can start moving on to functional items and my little dividers. You can see that I pulled out a couple sheets of dividers from Lynner Designs that I mentioned before. That is the weekend script that comes with the kit. I just placed it on the bottom of the week in the bottom washi underneath Saturday and Sunday. Then I started filling in some of the larger spaces with the patterned bow checklist boxes and the solid bow checklist boxes that came with the kit. I placed the pink with the sunflower pattern on Tuesday, the solid green on Wednesday, and then I'll place a divider in between those boxes there. The yellow with the sunflower pattern on the bottom of Saturday. There's not much room between those boxes, so I don't think I'll have space to put a divider there. The solid pink bow checklist in the middle of Sunday. I find that for these memory spreads, these bow checklists help me take up some space, but also add some structure. The solid yellow on the bottom of Monday, and another solid green. Oh, the patterned green is what's on Wednesday, the solid green on Thursday. And then I started looking through the kit for some more functional items to use. I found these 3 heart checklists to clean on Monday, to do on Tuesday, and to buy on the top of Wednesday. And then there are just some plain 3 heart checklists in this kit as well. The pink is going on Thursday, the green is going on Friday underneath the full box, and then the yellow is going on Saturday on top of the full box. And then come those dividers. There's the beautiful floral divider in gold from Lynner Designs. The simple bow, the simple line divider And then this is a pink scallop box with gold foil from Lynner Designs. I think this was a freebie that came with one of my orders. Then I had room for some more line and floral dividers on Wednesday. These pink boxes with foil accents definitely came in handy. Placed another couple line dividers underneath the full boxes seen on Thursday and Friday. I thought that set things off nicely. Placed in another one of those scallop boxes from Lynner Designs on Thursday with a floral divider underneath it. Then another Lynner Designs box on the top of Saturday there. With a line divider separating that scallop box and the yellow heart checklist. Another Lynner Designs box on Sunday. This is a white label with gold foil, also from Lynner Designs, with that same line and floral dividers. A lot of Lynner Designs in that section. Then we just have the bottom of Friday to finish up here. I misjudged the size of that little label there. I'm not really sure what those are intended for, but they definitely don't fit across the width of the column. If anyone knows what those little strips are intended for in the Lynner Designs kit, please let me know. I love to make better use of them. The next time that I use this kit, I did go back into the kit and pull out one of these washi dividers, another Lynner Designs gold foil box, another floral divider, and then that is a cutout heart checklist that came with the kit. Just using that to fill in some space at the bottom of Friday. And I had to do some rearranging to make the pieces above it fit a little bit better. And then that is it. I think we are finally done with this spread. I hope you enjoyed it. Hope you enjoyed this art as much as I did and all the beautiful gold foil. Hope you're having a great week, and I'll see you next time. Peace, love, and happy plating, everybody. Bye-bye.